This is Primode 100% compostable bags. This is 2.6 gallon and have 100 bags inside. So actually we can see the bag from here very clear, and then we need to open it. All right, and then we can put this one inside. And then the bag is very easy to pull out. You just need to pull a little bit. All right, let's check the bag. It's very easy to open up, and I think the material is pretty good. You hear the sound? It's not like a super thin, and the surface is pretty dry. And I want to do some tests to see how strong it is. The first one I want to do like width. I want to pull. So I give it about like 4 inches. I want to pull to see how strong it is. Actually, it's super strong. I start from 4 inches. Okay. Now I go to a foot, and it still didn't broke yet. It's fully extended. Okay, super strong. And then that is the width test. I want to see how strong it is from the top to bottom, and I still want to give it like 4 inches. Let's go. I feel like it got a lot of resistance. I mean, it's a lot stronger than it was before. I think it was reinforcement. You see that I just cannot pull any further. I'm just trying to break it. You see that it's super strong. This is not a kitchen trash can, it is an office trash can. Actually super big. So I'm just going to show you that how big it is, and actually it's touched the bottom and just barely have a little bit outside. You can even use it on this bigger trash can, but usually in the kitchen you have a smaller scrap trash can. And just show you how big it is. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.